story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. This door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a song to let you know. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
Hey guys, today's Kuya'S birthday. Happy birthday, yeah. Thank you, Kuya. Happy birthday. Thank you. May black eye. Ito yung black eye ni Kuya. Let me see your black eye, yeah. Oops. Look at me. Get dressed, Kuya. Jelly.
Happy birthday, Kuya TJ.
Happy birthday. Go get dressed. So Kuya is waiting.
Waiting that. Happy birthday. I get this.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yung mga bata nagbibihis na kasi may pasok na sila. Kahapon lang yung ano nila, may isang araw silang holiday kasi nga dahil kay Queen Elizabeth, so public holiday dito kahapon ba. Today may pasok na ulit sila. It's Friday and kagabi diba nakita nyo naman, gumawa na tayo ng cake pero hindi ko pa tapos. Gagawin ko yung icing today. Are you dressed, Baba?
Not yet.
Not yet. Come on. Si Daddy ang nagbibihis sa kanya. Late ako natulog kagabi.
Dropped off.
And si Holly excited para bukas.
I'm riding to school.
Yeah, magbabike si Kuya. But I think it's raining, yeah.
I like on the yeah.
It's raining.
I like riding in the rain.
May black eye pa talaga si Kuya. Ayan si birthday boy. Birthday boy, how old are you?
11.
11 na si Kuya, guys.
Want to go to school. You have to come.
Is Sophie coming?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's gonna walk with you.
Snacks yet.
Oh, si Kuya pala mag...
Whose is that?
Ha?
And then I go get dropped off.
Ah, si Jen, hindi siya pumasok. Hindi siya pumasok ngayon. So, work. Si Daddy, ginawa niya na yung lunch order ng mga bata. Lunch order kasi, dapat nung Wednesday ba yun? Yeah, nung Wednesday kasi, di ba, ginawa ko na yung lunch nila. Every Wednesday kasi yung lunch order nila. Pero, ginawa ko yung sandwich nila nung Wednesday. Kaya, ngayon na lang Friday ang lunch order nila. Si Daddy ang nagsulat. And siya rin ang gumagawa ng kay Holly. Kaya yung tuwing ni Holly. So, mamaya gagawin ko yung icing. And yung request ni birthday boy. And yung request niya is, what's your request for your birthday?
Nothing.
Nothing? No.
A remote control car. I want that.
Car?
Yeah, I want to get the one Dad bought me, the one that can go fast on the road.
Yeah, but
The one where we lost battery.
may regalo kami kay Kuya.
My car that you.
Pero wala pa rin. Order din kay Kuya. Ayan, si Sak nakabihis na rin. Alis na sila. Dito na si Sophie.
Did you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday, TJ. Thanks.
Uh,
Want to kiss something? Happy birthday. Alright, let's do it.
okay, see ya. Love you. Happy birthday. See ya, Sak. Oh.
Love you.
Alright, Papa.
Come tomorrow, Sophie.
Are you coming, Soph, tomorrow here? For Holly's birthday? Ay, see you.
Party.
A party. Love you.
Sophie.
Okay, alis na sila. Update guys, 11:05 na. And si Diyan kararating niya lang, pinick up niya na yung regalo namin para kay Holly. And bumili siya ng tinapay sa Baker's Delight. Ito kasi yung tinapay na gustong gusto niya. Si Kuya, ito talaga ang gusto rin ni Kuya. So for a long time, ito yung kinakain niya dyan, sabi niya. Ngayon daw, nabalik na siya sa fishing. Back sa Baker's Delight na siya. And kinuhaan niya ako ng, ayan.
Fine. Sorry, that one.
That
one.
Which one? That one. Sa kanya daw yan. Ito, kinuha niya ako nito. Ito yung, laging kinukuha sa Coles. Pero hindi nyo ata nakita pa yung vlogs na yun. Ito yung, custard tart. Ang sarap. Pero hindi ko pa ito na-try yung sa Baker's Delight. So, ako, naglilinis ako. Hindi pa ako tapos maglinis. Ayusin ko lang dito. Tapos, gawin ko na yung cake. Yung cake pala natin ay nandito. Nandito yung ating ginawa kagabi. Yan. Nahiwa ko na rin yan. Na-divide ko na na-cut ko na yan into 3. So, kaya yan. Magpo-frosting na lang. Gagawin ko na lang yung frosting niya. Okay, tapusin ko lang yung aking nililinis dito sa bahay. Pagawa muna si Jan ng salami rolls. How many, Han? 3. 3 raw na salami rolls. Pagawa ko muna siya. So, ito na yung salami rolls ni Johnny Boy. Where you gonna eat, Han? Here?
Feed me.
Feed you. Yeah. Okay.
Did she ask for it?
Yeah, she asked for the pink one. Tapos na ako maglinis. And, sabi ko kay Jan, tulungan niya ako na palitan namin ng damit yang mga upuan. Nabili ko to sa eBay. Matagal na. Pero ngayon ko, dapat nung birthday ni Holly ko siya papalitan. Pero wala na akong oras. So ngayon na lang. Ayan si Johnny ba? Ayan, hubaran niya na. Tapos ito yung ipapalit natin. Iba naman yung print niya. Ayan. Pero puti pa rin. May puti. Okay. So wait lang guys ha. Diyan lang kayo.
But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun. You are my one, with a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all.
So, yan yung itsura niya, guys. Nag-brighten dito sa, sa dining table. Kasi, whiter yung ating cover seats. Before kasi may pagka-gray. Pero, parehas lang naman, no? Mas darker yung pagka-black. Eto, gray and parang may pagka-mocha. Light mocha. So, yan na yung ating bagong dining chairs. Bagong dining. Cover lang yan, guys. So, yan na. So, ngayon gagawin ko ay yung icing para sa cake ni Kuya. And yung eto ba, di ko muna tinago kasi gagamitin ko pa rin yan mamayang gabi kasi gagawin ko naman yung cake ni Holly para bukas. 'Di ba? Walang ending ang pag-bake ko ng cake. So, okay, gawin na natin yan. Bigat nitong camera. Ang oras is 1 o'clock na, so dapat matapos ko bago dumating si Kuya. So, ilagay ko na kayo dito and gawin na natin yung frosting. Bigat.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather it. Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Did it seem to do you any good? I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I...
Tapos na ako mag-decorate ng cake ni Kuya. Ayan na siya, guys. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, beautiful.
Naligo na siya, oh. Ayan, tapos na. So, ngayon naman, magpapakulo na ako ng tubig para sa spaghetti. Gagawa muna pala ako ng cheese platter para sa snacks ng mga Junakis. Tsaka yung friend ni Kuya. Yung bago siyang ligo, oh. Ayun yung tripod ko. Okay. Dark now? My camera is a bit dark, guys. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not bright enough. It's surely as bright as in it. It has to be bright.
Yeah, I know what I did, but it's still all the same. This is the brightest I could get.
Contrast.
Contrast. Contrast na. Okay, gawa na ako ng cheese platter para sa kiddos.
Pull that cat hard.
Huh?
Pull that cat quick.
What's that? The cat. Oh, wow, that's white.
Yeah.
Whose cat is that?
Right.
Usually black.
I'll do that. Give her a new racket.
Excited si John na dumating si Holly kasi nandito na yung gift namin para kay baby. Okay, cheese platter. Nandun sa caravan yung aking isang mahaba kung ano. Nakikita niyo ba ako, guys? Parang ang dilim, no? Dilim. Pasensya na. Pasensya na po. Ay. Hindi niyo ako makita doon. Dito kaya. Kita niyo ba ako? Ayan. Kita niyo ba ako? Baka mahulog kayo. Pakulo muna pa rin. Pakulo rin pala ako ng tubig para sa spaghetti. Wait. Pakulo muna akong tubig para uminit na siya habang gumagawa tayo ng cheese platter. Nasalang ko na yung tubig. Maglagay muna pala akong lollies. Lollies. Si Holly, ang daming lollies na binili. Guys, parang hindi niya ako kita kasi parang ang dilim natin. May ring light na ako dito pero ewan ko kung nakakatulong siya. Eto sa party to ni Holly bukas, hingi tayo kay Holly. Sabi ko naman share sila ni Kuya dito sa mga lollies na to. Kita niyo ba guys? Parang hindi, no? Ayun, kita niyo na. Okay. Ayan guys. Kita nyo ba? Parang hindi naman kita. Mamaya na lang. Lagay ko lang ito dito sa table. Dito. Pinalagay niya pa naman sa separate bag yung mga lollies. Nung nag-grocery kami. Gusto niya separate bag yung mga lollies. Lollies to lahat. Pati yung ilalagay niya sa, sa party bag. Okay, gawa natin ng cheese platter. Okay, ito yung cheese. Meron tayo dyan na grapes. Ito ang request ni Kuya eh. Cheese platter, spaghetti, and cake. Kabilin-bilinan ni Kuya talaga ang cake.
Are you even up?
Huh?
Are you sewn?
I know. Ayun si Jenny Boy. Pag kay Jenny, parang malinaw naman kay Jenny.
Why don't you just cut it?
What?
Put a knife in it.
No. And this one. Favorite ni Kuya yung green.
They meant to open those ones.
Same as this. Right there.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Yung ito favorite to ni Kuya. Na cheap yung, ano ba to?
You
Charles
got
bread, huh?
You got Vicky?
Yeah, I do. I'm complete my love. Sirahin na natin ito. So, ayan na yung snacks ng mga bata. I know. Nandito na sila, guys. Ayan yung cheese platter and eto yung tirang fruits. Ito ginawa kong cake ni Kuya. Happy birthday! Ihi na siya. Dito na si Holly. Hi! Hi, my love. Hi. Wash your hands first.
Put me on top of your plate. Okay. I'm serious.
Ayan na si Holly.
Now, I know it's
Oh,
your
and
birthday.
Declan and Taj Manning were the only ones that got goals.
Who? Declan and Taj Manning?
I know what it is.
What?
Is it a tennis racket?
No.
Where is it?
Well, this is what I've got you, okay? Some new tennis balls.
Yay.
Do you like it?
How do you get them out?
But wait a minute. You need something to hit those tennis balls, don't you?
Yeah.
So close your eyes and dream. Don't open them, you've got to close them and dream. Close them and dream, okay? Dream for that tennis racket. And voila, your dream comes true.
Thank you, Dad. I knew it, Dad.
Does that one feel better? Feel it. It's nice and for you. And I've got your pink. Does that feel better?
Yes, thank you.
So it's my girl, mate.
You're welcome. You're so red. Ayan yung tennis racket niya.
How do we get it out?
That's your birthday.
Kuya, can you
Happy
move that
birthday,
one?
His new grip.
Ano? What's that?
His new grip for his birthday.
Oh, linagyan pala ng bagong grip ni Jan
That
yung
feel better, doesn't it?
yung ano ni Jan. Racket kasi.
Can I have one of
Sobrang
you
luma
boys?
na niyan.
That's not bouncy.
I gotta go.
Smell that. Fresh ball,
That's
mate.
mine.
Feel that. Is this yours? Yeah, it's mine now.
I need to put this somewhere.
Hang on, it's all
How about you,
right.
Sak?
Come here, let me see how you go.
It's bouncier, Dad.
How come he got that?
That's for all of us. That's for all of you.
Hold the racket down a bit.
Dad, is this mine?
There.
This mine.
That's mine.
Oh,
You're
Daddy.
both using it.
That's right. That's Daddy.
Bouncier. Dad, look.
Cool.
Dad,
That I
look.
told you.
Dad, it's bouncier.
Yeah, they're fresh. Yeah.
Here,
Hit it in the strings.
here.
That's good.
Good girl.
Oh, Dad, you are getting new on to me anyway.
What?
Do my chores.
She's starting to run. Yes! Yeah, I
Happy?
get my feet up. I'm climbing up. Oh, Dad, you get my feet up.
Down a bit. No, your hand's too high. Hold
Your
the
racket, Baba.
Hold
Your
the
racket.
Hold your hand down. Yeah, like that. There. Good girl.
Daddy.
Because you might, yeah, you don't do that.
Good girl. That was a good one.
In there, there's a plastic.
Don't forget, you got to go. All right. You love your tennis racket.
Where'd you hide it?
I found it.
Where did you get it?
Mum, where's your present?
And
That's my present. Yeah, yeah, that's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
thank you.
Because I